Hi everyone, welcome to the brand new episode of Prim Art Studio. Today we are diving into stars, quite literally with this dreamy watercolor galaxy painting. But we are giving it a twist. So let's paint a galaxy that's not just beautiful, but also bold and warm. Let's go then. First up, I'm taping down the papers to avoid wrapping. Here I'm using hot pressed paper. Then I wet the whole surface with clean water using flat brush. This helps the paint flow beautifully. We are using wet on wet technique to get those gorgeous cosmic blends. Let's start with Prussian Blue. I'm brushing it in a swiping motion across the paper. This will give our deep space. I'm leaving some space in between. Now, I'm softening the edges with Mauve, letting them merge naturally. The key here is movement. Let the paint do the work alone across the page. Right beside it, a touch of light red to wow things up even more. Now here where things get interesting. I'm dropping in Cadmium Orange Hue. This will give us that glowing nebula effect. Let them bloom into the darker colors and do their thing. Galaxy aren't neat, so making mistake is alright here. After that, first layer dries a bit. I'm re-wetting the surface. I'm going back in with more Mauve to build up those cloudy galactic forms. Layering is the key here, so to darken up the colors, I'm going back and forth between Cadmium Orange Hue, light red and Mauve, leaving some light areas in between. I'm lifting the excess water using tissue to avoid forming puddles. Before going straight with the black, as it will make the painting look blunt, I'll be filling the outer space first with Prussian Blue. Later, layer it up with black to build up realistic space. Next, I'm adding a hint of Ivory Black in the corners to give the piece depth. Add it till you seem satisfied and don't use too much. Here, I'm gently lifting some colors with a paper towel. It creates those misty, ethereal textures. I feel like I want to darken the outer edges of galaxy, leaving the middle portion as light, in order to give the illusion that star clusters are more concentrated in middle area and also white areas in between. Now I'm going to darken the outer space with black, more focusing on to the corners. In real galaxy, the distant stars will be a little bit blurry. I will be using two techniques to create the illusion of distant stars, either by splattering water drops for fadeaway stars or splatter the white paint to give more bold effect. Here I'm using acrylics from Winsor and Newton. Add some water to dilute the acrylics paint. Do this while the surface is still wet. Once it's fully dry, it's time for stars. Here I'm using white acrylics from Winsor and Newton and a brush to splatter stars all over the galaxy. I'll be adding stars into that white spaces. In galaxy, these white spaces are formed by the clusters of small stars, so I'll be adding the stars using white gel pen. And here it is, your glowing galaxy with a splash of orange warmth and moody blue depths. It brings this cosmic drama to life in a whole new way. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.